This K&N Air Oil Separator is purpose-built for late-model General Motors trucks and full-size sport utility vehicles, so the brackets and hose routing feel like a factory piece rather than a universal compromise. By pulling oily vapors out of the crankcase stream before they reach the intake, it helps keep intake runners and valves much cleaner over time, which can support more consistent power and throttle response. The canister uses a relatively large capacity reservoir, so it can hold a meaningful amount of collected oil between services instead of needing to be drained constantly. Installation is straightforward for a do-it-yourself owner with vehicle-specific hardware and factory-style quick connect fittings that let you complete the job in well under an hour with basic hand tools. Day-to-day use is simple because you can check the reservoir and empty it without digging out tools, which makes it far more likely that maintenance actually gets done on schedule. Build quality is solid with durable hoses, molded connectors, and a sturdy housing backed by K&N's long-term warranty support, giving confidence that it will last the life of the vehicle.